Good afternoon. Today we will see problems based on magnetostatic. So first is the calculation of dH bar. First problem based on magnetostatic. Chapter 2, a differential current element. A differential current element with I is equal to 4 ampere and mod of dl bar is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter is located at point 200. Then find magnetic field. Find magnetic field intensity due to this current element at point 0, 1, 1. So for solving this type of problem there are 3 steps. Step 1 is calculate the value of ideal bar. Then second step is draw the vector r bar joining the 2 points, and step 3 is use Biot-Savart's law to find out the magnetic field intensity. So step 1, that is calculate the value of ideal bar. Now the given points will show it using a diagram. So this is y-axis, z-axis and x-axis. So this diagram shows this is dl r bar, vector r bar from dl bar to p. It is rough. So this diagram shows the location of the given points. So by using this figure, the point 200 is located on x-axis and the differential current is located at this point, that is differential current is dl, which is located at this point. So direction of dl bar is along the x-axis. So now what is given? I is 4 ampere given. Mod of dl bar is 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So here point 200 is located on x-axis and the differential current element is located at this point. So the direction of dl bar is along the x-axis. Therefore I dl bar is equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 ax bar, which is equal to 0.004 ax bar. Next is step 2. So the point at which we have to calculate the magnetic field intensity is 0, 1, 1. So from this figure, the vector r bar is drawn from point 200 to point 011. So vector r bar we can write 0 minus 2 ax bar plus 1 minus 0 ay bar plus 1 minus 0 az bar. Therefore r bar is equal to minus 2 ax bar plus ay bar plus az bar. So it is mod of r bar is r is equal to square root of 6 and unit vector is ar bar is given by ar bar is equal to r bar by mod of r bar. So it is minus 2 ax bar ay bar square root of 6. So this is unit vector ar bar. Next is step 3. So according to Biot-Savart's law, magnetic field intensity is given by dH bar is equal to IDL bar into AR bar divided by 4 pi r square. So this is equation number 4. It is equation number 1. This is 2, 3, and equation 4. Now we put equation 1, 2, 3 in 4. So dH bar is equal to we have value of IDL bar, so it is 0.004 by 4 pi into 6 raised to 3 by 2. Because it is IDL bar is this value, then AR bar, this is this vector, this is 4 pi. IDL bar is multiplied by AR bar, so it is minus 2 AX bar plus AY bar plus AZ bar by square root of 6. Sorry, it is R square is 6 square, so it is 0.04 4 pi 6 square into square root of 6 is 6 raised to 3 by 2 into AX bar is multiplied each vector, so it is AX bar into minus 2 AX bar plus AY bar into AX bar plus AX bar into AZ bar x into AY. So while solving it, we get 2.16 into 10 raised to minus 5 AX bar cross minus 2 AX bar plus AX bar cross AY bar plus AX bar cross AZ bar. Now we know that to calculation of the cross product of two vector, so the cross product of two similar vector is always 0, and to calculate the cross product of two dissimilar vector, the unit vector are considered. So we know that AX bar into AX bar is 0, AX bar into AY bar is AZ bar, and AX bar cross AZ bar is minus AY bar. So we replace these values. DH bar is equal to 2.16 into 10 raised to minus 5 0 plus AZ bar minus AY bar. So it is 2.16 into 10 raised to minus 5 AZ bar minus 2.16 into 10 raised to minus 5 AY bar per meter. So this is a value of DH bar. So in this way we can calculate the value of DH. So the first step while solving this problem is calculation of IDL bar. For that, draw the diagram by using given data. Then second step is draw the vector R bar joining the 2 points, and third step is use Biot-Savart's law to find out the magnetic field intensity. So this type of problem was asked for was asked in exam, university exam, for 8 marks?